The RecIQ. Recycling and the need for it continues to go globally. With the huge amount of packaged products now available, recycling requires citizens to be quite knowledgeable. Yet them find themselves in uncertain situations that lead them to dispose the waste incorrectly. To help them, we developed RecIQ, an app that will allow consumers to scan their products and packages to learn how and where to dispose of them. It will be cost-free, easily accessed to all internet users, and turn recycling into a faster, stress-free, time-saving experience that answers consumers' doubt immediately. Additionally, we have a shopping list feature that reminds consumers about what if they run out of and needs to restock. We can also connect through this feature to the reward systems that benefits all consumers. Overall, RecIQ will improve consumers' recycling experience, making them confident about doing the right thing in a cool, smart, and new way. As we just saw in our elevator pitch, our biggest target is everyone living in a city, either current citizens or newcomers. The think stage is related to those who care about recycling. The do stage is linked to those citizens searching for help and information about it. And the care is mostly related to active users and how to keep them interested in our app. For the pilot, we will be focusing on Germany, a market that already has a lot of ground loose on recycling, making it easier to convey the importance of recycling and focusing on providing information rather than creating a new mindset in the consumers. We analyzed the competition within two areas that we touch in our app, the recycling and shopping. It's clear to us that basic features are available to all of them and also to our app, but none of the applications advise you on how to recycle product, which is a unique feature for us. Therefore, the competitive advantage of RecIQ, is an easy access to recycle information by quickly scanning and following linkage with the shopping, which makes our application commercially attractive to partners and companies. Support the users community will also be attractive for socially active people and ensure regular usage of the application. When we think about costs, there are four pillars that we need to take into consideration. In the physical resources, we only need to think about the cloud storage that is needed from the day one for our app to be up and running. When we think about intellectual resources, we need to think of the copyrights and trademarks, not only of our own brand, but also all the partners that we're going to communicate and cooperate with. In the human resources, or what we call transformation freelancers, we're going to need marketing people, content managers, collectors, and also a support team that is going to be outsourced to lower the costs. When you think about the actual money, we're going to be thinking on the first stage of a crowdfunding. Since the app is related to recycling and improving the world, it's not going to be hard to get believers. At a second stage, government funding and venture capital is going to be necessary. We also need to remember that there's going to be also revenue coming from the fee that the supermarkets have to pay to be considered as preferred partners. Jumping into our partners, we need to see them as strategic allies. Of course, we need to think about supermarket, about recycling companies, the Green Dot, which is very well known in Germany and is a very credible source. Same rationale for other environmental organizations. The barcode company that is the one that has the base that makes our app works, and also app stores. When it comes to scalability, there are three moments that we need to take in mind. The e-market expansion with the partnerships with fast-moving consumer goods to become preferred partners and benefit from the image spillover. The in and out expansion with the authorities to generate awareness and demand. And the global expansion scaling up to other markets. The marketing channels was pretty straightforward, based on our product website or the app itself, leveraging on partners channels such as loyalty programs of supermarkets or leveraging on the app of the day through App Store. The distribution channels are pretty simple, which is, since it's an app, it's App Stores, Google Play, or our own website. We already covered all the points in the business model, except the ones that help us tracking the success of the app. So we'll take into consideration number of app users, dropout rate, and amount of partners that we do with key governmental and NGO institutions.